Hello and welcome. If you are deciding between Skool and Udemy for your online course, you need to understand the fundamental difference between these platforms and what works for coaches, consultants, and course creators who want to build a real business. First, let's talk about who owns the relationship with your students. On Udemy, you do not own your audience. Udemy owns the platform, the student data, and maintains pricing control. Udemy regularly discounts courses to $10 or $15, even if you priced yours at $200. You have no say in pricing, and you split the revenue with Udemy. On Skool, you own everything. You set your price, you keep your revenue, and you build direct relationships with your members. You control your business. Here is another major difference. Udemy is a course marketplace. Students buy courses, watch videos, and leave. There is no community, no ongoing engagement, and no reason to stick around. You are one course among millions. Skool is different. You build your own branded community. Members join for your course but stay for the community, discussions, and gamification. They keep coming back because there is value beyond videos. Let's talk about revenue models. On Udemy, you sell courses one time. A student pays once, watches, and that is it. If you want more income, you need more courses or new students. On Skool, you charge monthly recurring membership. Members pay every month for access to your courses, community, and support. This creates recurring revenue. Imagine 50 members paying $17 per month. That is $850 in predictable monthly income. What about engagement? Udemy has no community features. Once students finish your course, they are gone. Skool combines courses with community and gamification. Members earn points for posting and commenting. The leaderboard creates competition and people stay active. You are building a tribe, not just delivering content. What about course creation? Udemy has strict guidelines about video quality and content structure. You follow their rules, or they reject your course. Skool is simple and flexible. Upload videos, add content, organize into modules. No arbitrary rules. You format and structure your modules, lessons, and videos however you want. You have the freedom to teach your way. Here is the pricing structure. Udemy takes a cut of every sale. If students find your course through Udemy's marketing, Udemy takes up to 50%. With coupons, they take even more. Skool charges $99 per month for the Pro plan or $9 for the Hobby plan. No revenue sharing. You keep everything. Let's talk about branding. On Udemy, you are an instructor on someone else's platform. Students see Udemy, not your brand. On Skool, your community is yours. You brand it, you control the experience, and members know they are part of your community. Here is the bottom line. If you want to sell a one-time course to strangers, Udemy might work. But if you want recurring revenue, direct relationships, and a thriving community, Skool is the right choice. I chose Skool because I wanted to own my business, not rent space on someone else's platform. Running Skool communities is manageable, profitable, and scalable. Are you ready to build your course business on Skool? For a proven method to set up your courses, check out my Easy Course Catalyst system at Get Up On Skool. Do the right thing and choose the best platform that helps you build a real business. Go to skoolinvite.com to sign up today.